I meet people every day and invariably come to know that they have been doing the same job since the past 15 years, 20 years, going to the same office, doing the same work, and there is absolutely no change in their routine. Now, what does that do to them? It stagnates their mind. Now, if you are ready to change your routine, you need to pump yourself with a lot of adrenaline. And how does it work? It changes the serotonin level, endorphins are released from the brain, and they make you a better person. Now, change is a requirement of this universe. Every day, our universe is expanding, growing. From the day of the Big Bang, the universe has been growing, spreading into galaxies, into this galaxy that we stay on. The planet Earth evolves every day, and that is the requirement. Every year we see seasons changing one after the another. Why is it so? Because change is the rule of this whole universe. The more we change, the more we evolve. So we need to understand and work upon it. Are we ready to improve? Are we a better person from what we were yesterday? If no, it's time to get up and do the change. Think on things, make goals, and work upon yourself. Work upon improving yourself. If you are doing the same things that you were doing yesterday, if you are doing the same things that you were doing last year or before that, then your life results would also be the same. If you want change in your routine, if you want to achieve better goals in life, you need to get up and change your routine. Start your day with routine, with a goal, set your goals, work upon them, and make an extra effort to bring a change. Now, how does that happen? NLP is an excellent way. It actually rewires the way we think. So, get a NLP session done. Neuro-linguistic programming of the brain rewires our brains. I know people who have been getting angry and irritated over small things, and they feel they are right, justify themselves in every state they are in. But if you realize that anger is a problem, work upon it. Change that. Change your attitude, and you'll realize that the overall output is changing. Your relationships with people will change. The way you achieve your goals will change. The productivity will improve in your life. And that is what life is all about. If a tree today says, I'm not going to change, I will remain like this only, then do you think it will ever flower again? Do you think it will ever produce fruits? No. So change is the order of the game, and work upon change and bring in new results.